Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This video is for downloading the game of Squid Phones. Like I said in the previous video, you can check the link in the description box below. So now we are going to go ahead and download the file. Then it's in a zip format. I'm going to go to my file explorer, downloads, and I'm going to extract the game of Squid Phones file. So as you can see, I've extracted the file. Then you're going to see two types. Right click. You're going to see install it. For me, I already have the font, so to see do I want to replace it, I said yes. Then install the second one just to be sure. Say yes. So this is for installing the game of Squid Fonts. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell.